Hey guys, welcome back to a new video from Swanky Snacks. Today I have a fun video for you as we are going to go check out a new vending machine location that we just landed. I am happy to say it is my 6th and 7th machine. It is one snack and one drink, and they are at a nursing location that's open 24 hours. And yeah, there's about 40 to 50 employees there on weekdays and about 20 on weekends. It's in the break room. Yeah, so let's go check it out. Alright, here is the drink machine. The guy left me with all the stock that he had in here. The guy told me that he just couldn't keep up with it, and he figured that he'd sell it to someone a lot closer. And this place is only 5 minutes away from me. And he left me a lot of stock, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I could tell that he could not get out to these machines all the time because, you know, there was expired products in here. A lot of stuff just wasn't being sold, so I had to go through all the old snacks. Look at the date, September 5th, 2024. It's the end of October. That's a no-no. We're going to take these out. Same with these donuts. They're expired, and no one wants expired product. Guys, check out how big these are. Each chip slot holds 20 chips, so it's a pretty big machine. Look at all these bars. So about half the Fritos were expired, and then the other half were not expired. So we're just going through all the expired food, and we're going to try some new stuff with them. I'm sure they've been looking at these chips for quite a while, so I'm going to give them something different. So right now I'm just organizing a little bit. He had chips on the bottom, so I'm moving them up to the top where the chips should be being sold. Alright, check this out. Crazy. These items I'm going to save and try and sell somewhere else because they're still good. And then all this right here is expired. So I'm just going to throw those away. And this guy also left me a huge container of candy still. And so all that. I have a lot of candy from just buying the snack and drink machine. Clean this out. I'm going to redo it. Clean it up. See how it looks. Super clean. Alright guys, going to do the same thing with the drink machine. I'm going to remove a lot of the similar drinks that I see, and I'm going to give them more of a variety. So I'm going to decrease the amount of Monsters, lemonade, and Mountain Dew that they had in here, and I'm going to put in some other types of pop. Hey, why not? Everyone needs a little energy now and again. Taste the beast. And I'm going to move the lemonades next to the other lemonades, keep it a little more organized. In case someone doesn't believe that I threw out that expired stuff, here you go. It's the first thing I did. Did not want anybody hitting that bad stuff. But alright, we just hit up the store. We went to Costco this time, got some good deals on some candy and some energy drinks. Look at that beautiful sunset, guys. Oh, it's gorgeous here in late September, early October. Right, we're gonna go to the location now. We're gonna fill these bad boys up. Let's get to work. Cue some music. shout out to Jim Contos 4221 for suggesting we try selling coffee cakes. Never tried them before, so we'll see how they do. These are kind of small, so I'm only selling them for $1. And this is the bottom drawer. And we just got some cookies, and she's all filled up. Drink machine looks pretty good. And that's that, guys. Let's go. So far, the snack machine has made $68.25 so far, and the drink machine has made $107.75. That is in the past 10 days. So that's just the beginning, guys. I can't wait to see how these grow, and I can't wait to share along the progress with you guys. Alright guys, I'm back home, and we are going to do this new segment where I try a new snack or drink product. And today, I of course just saw Jaime posted a video of him trying this Oreo Coca-Cola, but we are also Oreo flavored Coca-Cola. Never tried them before, and we're going to take it a step further. Ooh, it smells like Coke. Oh, yeah. Oreo Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola Oreo. Cheers. Yeah, I'm gonna agree that it's creamy, but it's not even like extra creamy. Like Coca-Cola vanilla is creamier than this is. This it's pretty low. Okay. Well, there goes that. Coca-Cola Oreo. I like that there's two different sides. I can't even explain what this tastes like. It's really sweet. Kind of almost like cinnamon. I'll agree with this. 4 out of 10. And these, maybe 3, 4 out of 10 at best. But like I said, I'm going to take it a step further. My tongue is popping like Pop Rocks. What the hell? There's like Pop Rocks on the Oreos. Alright, but like we said, we're going to take this a step further now. Oreo Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola flavored Oreo. You've heard of Oreos and milk, right? What about Coke and Coke Oreo? Cheers, y'all. If I go to the hospital, you know where to find me. Ah. My tongue is popping like Pop Rocks. I can't get over that. That was not any better. What shape or form? Much worse. Comment down below what you think we should try next. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you guys are excited to see the progress of this new location as I am. And guys, I am a huge Cleveland sports fan, guys. And I don't know if anybody's watching baseball playoffs, but the Guardians are now in the ALCS. Congratulations to them, I have to say. I want to give away a Jose Ramirez jersey. So all you got to do is comment down below your favorite snack or drink, and make sure you leave your Instagram, guys, so I can get a hold of you. One free Jose Ramirez jersey. Just got to comment down below, guys. Come on. And if they can go to the World Series and win, I will give away 5 jerseys of anybody's choices. And that's if the Guardians make and win the World Series, guys. All right. We'll catch you in the next video, guys. See you later. Later.